Okay, this is a Heathkit DX60B, and I have it set up with a crystal on 40 meters at 7.05. We're going to see how that works. So we're on 40 meters. Put it in the tune position, and whoa, we got a ton of grid drive there. So let's get that peaked up there. It's physically, it looks like it's about a 9 out of 10. Electrically, it seems to work a little bit differently, and we'll see how that functions electrically. And so let's put it in. I'll put this over on the plate position. Okay, and we'll dip the final. That dip is extremely deep, and I'm not sure why that is. So we're up on 40 meters. There we are, and we seem to get a fair amount of output, but not as much as I would like. And there we are on 40 meters. And I'm going to show you how the modulation is. So let's take a look at the modulation. I'm going to put it in the 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to show you where the microphone is. The microphone's right here, and it modulates pretty well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the microphone's quite some distance away, and I'm sitting here wondering why it modulates so well. That is really weird, while it does that, because maybe the gain is really high. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to put this back. We'll put the back on the tripod, and see if we can focus that in. I hope that's focused. So that's 40 meters. We'll try it up on 20 meters and see what we get. Put it in the grid position, and tune that up. And we have plenty there on 20 meters. We'll put this in the play position, and we'll dip the final, and we get plenty of output on 20 meters. And so there we are on 20 meters, but the loading is all the way over. I'm not sure why the loading is all the way over, and but that's where we are on 20 meters. And let's go back. I'll put it up on 15 and see what we get. And let's bring the drive level up. Gee, that's a ton of drive on 15. The crystal on 15 now we're about 21.075. So we'll put this in the standby position. Go over here, and we got a ton of output here on this band as well. On 15 meters, looks pretty good. Again, the loading's up there pretty high. I'm not sure why the loading is up there so high. And let's try it on 10 meters. And put it in the tune position. I'm going to bring this drive level all the way up and see how we are. And we got enough. Okay, we got enough drive. And I'm going to put this over in the plate position. And let's see how we are. I don't get a lot of output on 10 meters. The dummy load is not lighting up a whole lot, which is not unusual. Oh, there we go. We're getting a little bit up on the 20 meters, on 10 meters. Having a little bit of problems on 10. Maybe that switch was in the wrong position. Okay, so we're not doing too well up on 10 meters, and so we'll try another band. We'll go down to 80 meters, and I'm going to do a different crystal in here and put that crystal in. And let's go in the tune position and see how we are. Ton of juice there. Let's back the drive tune. We want to peak that up. We don't want to go down low. Okay, about 2 mils of grid current, and we'll put this over in the play position, and I'm going to bring the loading down to 0, and we'll dip the final, and let's bring that up. Notice I don't seem there we go. Bring the power up, and we get plenty. That thing is lighting up like a Christmas tree. So it works. You got plenty of output on 80 meters. So the only thing we were weak on was 10 meters. And hello test, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lots of amplification. Look where the microphone is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 10 meters was kind of weak. Everything else seemed to be pretty much okay. I'm a little concerned why the loading is all the way over there. So that's the Heathkit DX60B.